Welcome back to the Aging Parent Playbook. Today we're tackling a huge issue that many families overlook until it's too late: estate planning mistakes. Many children assume their parents have everything in order until they're faced with confusing legal paperwork, unexpected probate battles, and sibling conflicts. The good news? A little planning can prevent major stress later. In today's episode, we'll cover why a will alone isn't enough to protect your parents' assets, the one question you should ask your parent about their finances today, and the top mistakes that cost families time and money, and how to avoid them. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First, I want to go over some of the biggest estate planning myths. Myth 1. My parent has a will, so we're all set. The reality? A will alone doesn't prevent assets from going through probate. Probate can take months to years and cost thousands in legal fees. A revocable living trust is often a better solution. It allows assets to transfer immediately without probate. Myth number 2. Everything will automatically go to the family. Reality: if accounts and property don't have updated beneficiaries, assets could go to an ex-spouse, an estranged relative, or even the state. Double check all beneficiary designations on bank accounts, life insurance, and retirement funds today. Myth number 3. We'll figure out the finances when the time comes. Reality: if your parent becomes incapacitated without a power of attorney, you may need to go to court to manage their finances. This can be costly, time-consuming, and emotionally draining. Solution: your parents need both a financial power of attorney and a medical power of attorney in place. So, what are some of the costly mistakes family makes? Mistake number 1. Not updating estate plans regularly. Your parents' estate plan should be reviewed every 3 to 5 years or after major life changes. Example: I've seen cases where an old will left everything to a deceased spouse, leaving the kids in this legal limbo. Mistake number 2. Not having a plan for long-term care costs. Many families assume Medicare will cover nursing home care, but it doesn't. Medicaid can help, but there's a 5-year look-back period, meaning financial planning must happen early. Mistake number 3. Not talking about estate plans before it's too late. Families avoid talking about money because it feels uncomfortable. But avoiding the conversation means you could be left making decisions in a crisis. So these are the actions I want you to do. Ask your parent today, do you have a plan in place if something happens? Now let's talk about estate planning. Action plan. Step 1, locate key documents. Make sure you know where your parents' will, trust, power of attorneys, and advance directives are stored. Step 2, review beneficiaries. Ensure all bank accounts, life insurance policies, and investment accounts are up to date. Step 3, consult an elder law attorney. If your parents' estate plan is outdated or missing key documents, an attorney can help navigate the next steps. Look, estate planning isn't just about money. It's about protecting your family from unnecessary stress. If today's episode helped, please share it with a friend, subscribe, and leave a review. And as always, for more personalized coaching, please visit www.theagingparentcoach.com for more information. Take care.